Yo, what's going on? Alright, so about to head up to practice. It's the weekend, so the school is locked, so I gotta go through this way. I got climb through the fence to check. Yeah, so look, it ain't like I ain't no kind of burglar or nothing to check. It's like you gotta make things do what you gotta do. So we're about to go practice right now, yum up some food, check out my sister and them, and that's what we're gonna do. Far Right Apparel, big up, you don't know yourself, haha. Yo, this is Ras Bookie. Live at the beach. Playing lifeguard today. I got search the people in here. But we're about to get a party started. Live in the wreck. What she she don't know what she doing. You're not supposed to put it on like that.
Yes, you is.
We gotta wipe it in.
No.
Trying to help her out, no?
She knows she doing.
Hey, people ain't easy, man. They see you struggling and they want help.
She gonna put no head and reach her arm and get this into it.
Oh, Pete. You drop it, mama.
You see it?
Se ve bien, ¿entiendes?
It's full of ants. You can move them. You can't eat them. Let me
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Wait, come. Say hi.
Hi.
What going on?
Hi, Kiki.
Tell him your name. So my name is Demi.
My name is Demi.
I like to have fun. I having fun at the beach. I with my uncle. Okay, go ahead.
I'm like, dude, really? She caught it.
Come, let's go. Ain't cold, man. It is cold. Come the man. How come they never? I always gotta be the one to test out the water first before they come in here. Why rain again? Yo, what's up? You don't know, the Ras Bookie's live in the beach right now, so come on and join the fun. Okay, we out here having fun at the beach, right? That's what we do all the time. This is the gravestone that we had earlier with some nice Moscato on them kind of things. So look at, we go on the morning all the time. One time for the one time can't go to fun. That's what we're gonna do, so live in the wreck. Hey, what was that? Boom song. Say what's up? Wave to the camera.
Damn it. Say one time.
Look. Say one time for the one time. How you doing? Alright. Say one time for the one time.
Hi, Mommy.
finishing up. Great day at the beach today, man. Hanging out with the family and all them kind of things there. So you don't know. Anytime you with us, this how we have fun. All the time, live in the wreck. You don't know, the man named Ras Books live in the building. One time for the one time can't cook that. But the family over there, so you see them, yeah, having fun. An amazing time. That's how we do. I was coming to the voyage now, I'm feeling nice, feeling great. Yo, you don't know, the man named Ras Books. One time for the one time can't cook, can't quench. Yo.